Two e-commerce giants. One decision. Which platform is right for you to use? On one side, Shopify, the tried and true powerhouse for online stores. And on the other, ClickFunnels, the master of sales funnels and conversions. Forget the marketing noise. Let's find out what really matters for your business. We'll break it down category by category, awarding points as we go, so you can see exactly who comes out ahead. And the winner? It might just surprise you. All right, let's set the stage. Here's a mind map of what we're covering. Pricing, e-commerce features, sales funnels, ease of use, customization, and marketing tools. So we'll hit all the stuff that actually matters when you're choosing a platform. No fluff. Let's talk money first, because honestly, who doesn't want the best bang for their buck, right? Shopify actually starts off cheaper, so if you're just dipping your toes in, that entry price feels pretty friendly. It packs in solid basic features, but keep an eye on those transaction fees if you're not on the higher plans. Oh, and the app costs? They add up fast. ClickFunnels, on the other hand, goes for a bigger upfront cost. They bundle about everything together, and you won't see transaction fees, which is, kind of refreshing. But honestly, if you're just looking to run a simple store, that price tag can sting. So if value for newcomers is your thing, Shopify is the winner here. Moving on, let's check out e-commerce features. Shopify is pretty much the gold standard here. Managing products? Crazy advanced. Need inventory tools? POS systems, multiple payment gateways? It's all built in. Sometimes I'm like, can it get any more extra? But yeah, if you only have a few products, it might be a bit overkill. Or a little overwhelming. Now, ClickFunnels does e-commerce, but let's be real. It's the basic stuff. Great for super small catalogs, but if you want robust product support or plan to scale a big store, it's just not designed for that. Shopify definitely takes this category. Sales funnels. Now we're getting into ClickFunnels territory. Shopify? Sure, you can hack together some funnels with apps and plugins, but it's not really what it's made for. ClickFunnels, though, is basically the Michael Jordan of sales funnels. They've got every type of template, built-in upsells and downsells, split testing, all that stuff. If you're all about optimizing conversions and building high-converting sequences, this is where ClickFunnels shines. Shopify just can't keep up here. ClickFunnels sweeps this round. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Shopify powers over 1.7 million businesses worldwide? Pretty massive, right? But wait, ClickFunnels users have collectively generated over $5 billion in sales. Both are absolute heavyweights in their own ways. Ease of use is kind of a toss-up. Shopify's got that clean, intuitive dashboard. Their mobile app is super handy, and their knowledge base is massive. But, and there's always a but, the moment you want to get fancy with advanced features, there's that learning curve. ClickFunnels shoots for simplicity with its drag-and-drop editor. Seriously, building funnels is as easy as stacking blocks. But honestly, when you first log in, all those options can slam you in the face and totally overwhelm beginners. So both are pretty user-friendly, but workflow-wise, it comes down to what you want to build. Customization, oh boy, Shopify does not play around. There are thousands of apps, a theme near anything you can imagine, and, if you love to tinker, direct code access. On one hand, that means endless possibilities. On the other hand, decision paralysis is real. Sometimes it feels like you're drowning in options. ClickFunnels gives you solid templates and some useful built-in tools, but, to be blunt, customization is a bit thinner and you won't find as many outside integrations. So if going wild with design is your thing, Shopify wins again. Okay, marketing tools. Shopify covers the basics. There's a bit of email marketing, social media hooks, and some SEO stuff. But honestly, the built-in marketing automation just isn't that deep. ClickFunnels, meanwhile, brings out the big guns. Integrated CRM, email automation, affiliate management, and analytics for days. If funnels are the heart of your marketing, ClickFunnels blows it out of the water here. But yeah, it's definitely more focused on funnel-based marketing than overall store marketing. All right, let's zoom out for a second and look at the radar chart. You can see Shopify dominating in e-commerce features and customization, while ClickFunnels totally owns the sales funnel and advanced marketing game. It's kind of awesome to see the contrast side by side. So, final thoughts. If you're building a full-blown online store and need all those advanced e-commerce bells and whistles, go with Shopify, no question. But if your main thing is lead generation, launching products, and constant funnel tweaking for max conversions, ClickFunnels is your best bet. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.